As an INFJ, you might look at the rise of generative AI and feel a sense of dread. You think, if a machine can write, code, and paint, what is left for me? But the truth is the exact opposite. We are entering an era where the soft skills of the INFJ are being reclassified as the only hard skills that matter. In the 2026 economy, data is cheap, but discernment is priceless. If you are an INFJ, you've spent your life feeling like your complexity was a bug. You were too sensitive, too intuitive, and you cared too much about the why instead of the how. But as we sit here in 2026, the world has changed. The how is now handled by algorithms. The linear logic that the world used to prize is now a commodity. Suddenly, your bugs have become features, your ability to feel the room, to see the 10-year implication of a single choice, and to connect with a human soul on a level that a silicon chip never can. These are now the most valuable assets on the planet. Today, we are talking about the human premium. I'm going to show you why the age of AI isn't the end of the INFJ, it's our grand opening. There is a concept in robotics called Moravec's paradox. It states that high-level reasoning, chess, math, and logic require very little computation, but low-level sensoromotor skills and social intuition require enormous resources. AI is a master of the high-level logic that schools taught us to value, but it is a toddler at nuance, ethics, and emotional subtext. As an INFJ, your brain is hardwired for the very things AI finds computationally expensive. You aren't competing with the machine, you are filling the gaps the machine leaves behind. AI is extractive. It looks at the past to predict the next word, but the INFJ is generative in a different way. You use introverted intuition, NI, to perform synthesis. An AI can give you a list of facts. An INFJ can tell you what those facts mean for a grieving family, a struggling startup, or a changing culture. We are moving from the information age to the wisdom age. In this age, the person who can connect the dots is the person who leads. Your NI fee stack is the ultimate wisdom engine. You see AI chatbots that sound empathetic. You see AI art that looks soulful. You wonder if your inner world is just an algorithm that hasn't been coded yet. But simulation is not experience. A machine can describe the taste of a peach, but it has never tasted one. A machine can analyze a heartbreak, but it has never felt the hollow in its chest. In a moment, I'm going to show you the high-touch strategy, how to position your career and your creativity so that you are 100% immune to automation. In a world of infinite free AI-generated content, scarcity creates value. What is scarce now? Authentic presence, the one-on-one human connection. Being a mentor, a therapist, a leader, or a creative who says, "I felt this and I am telling you." Ethical discernment. AI can give you 100 options. The INFJ is the one who says, option 42 is the only one that honors our values. This is sovereign decision-making. Complex nuance. AI struggles with the gray area. The INFJ thrives in there. Lean into the topics that are too messy for a prompt. Becoming the orchestrator. This week, we stop being workers and start being architects. 1. The vibe over the verbs. In your work or art, focus on the emotional resonance. Don't try to be perfect, the AI is perfect. Try to be resonant. 2. The AI assistant audit. Use AI to do your C tasks, scheduling, summarizing, data sorting. Treat the AI like a junior intern. This frees up your NI to do the deep thinking that only you can do. 3. The human-only meeting. Identify one relationship or project where you will delete the digital. No AI, no screens, just face-to-face intuition. Notice how much data you pick up that a machine would miss. The machine can mirror the world, but you can change it. Don't be afraid of the technology. Use it to shed the busy work that has been stifling your soul for decades. The age of AI is a filter. It is removing the mundane so that the extraordinary can finally stand out. Your empathy is a hard skill. Your intuition is your job security. Your soul is the only thing that can't be copied. Be the architect. Stay human. Stay sovereign.